This man is upset because his score was missing because we had to transfer lanes when he got a spare. So he's manually inputting his score.
He just fucking put it in wrong. He just did it so he got 0. He just did it so he got a ball. What? He's actually that upset about like not getting his score right. I'm in a different world.
This man's losing his mind.
They can't even get the ball now.
Gang squad out here. We just finished Escapology. We
cured
won.
a virus. We cured a fucking virus.
We cured Corona.
Yep. We cured COVID.
COVID, no more COVID. Goddamn. Scientists out this bitch.
How did we get away though? Wouldn't the nuke have gone off in 5 minutes? How did we get away in 5 minutes?
We disarmed the nuke.
True, yeah, if you put in the code, it didn't say it would stop the decontamination. Yeah. We cured COVID.
Yeah. They're messing in the chat logs. Hey, scroll up a little bit. Scroll up. Scroll up. Scroll up. Scroll up. Keep scrolling. Keep scrolling. What the fuck?
Mr. Musk, please.
Elon Musk, Ed Sheeran, Charles D'Amelio, and Eli. What the fuck, bro?
God.
No.
No.
You sure?
Absolutely not.
Don't say I'm taking bra.
No, don't even say that.
No, don't say
Nah,
that. You can't say that.
get him off the line. Delete it. Delete.
No, I'm gonna say no.
Bro, what the fuck is going on here? Yo, hold on.
3 pins.
What the fuck? Yo, what is this shit?
Dude, I want to talk to this person. This person's like my kind of shit.
Oh my god. Yo, wait. What the hell? What the fuck?
Don't say I'm a.
Oh my fucking god.
No,
Yeah.
dude.
No, that's it. We done. They're trying to fucking find us because we said Squid Games. Squid.
They're threatening us.
I love Squid Games. We love you. Oh my god.
We're in the bathroom. Wait,
Oh shit. Wait, where's the Where's the
Put the cold emote. Where's the cold one?
the fucking one right there.
Oh my fuck. Why is that a thing?
Yo, what the fuck? No, I gotta see this. What the fuck? What the fuck? God.
We do though. I mean, like,
We have little
seriously.
balls.
Wait, what El Diablo just say? I want to see what El Diablo said.
Yo.
Kill him. Bet.
No more sexy time in the lanes.
He's trying to call him.
He's trying to dial it.
Dial.
I am.
Fucked up. That bitch fucked up.
It's taking photos. This is the day, everyone. Finale concert.
We're going to Wisconsin.
We're going to Wisconsin.
Wisconsin.
Hey, Wisconsin.
Milwaukee.
Hey. Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
That is where we're going, and yeah, it's
We'll make a second part if we survive.
Yeah.
which we won't, but yeah.
I don't need the camera to pick it up. this man is gonna crash. Ah! Ah! We're finally in Wisconsin. Yeah, Wisconsin. Get this rock shit. Rocks! Dude, they have rocks? Rocks! Look! The rocks! What the fuck is that thing? What the fuck is that? What is that? What is that shit? I have no idea. It's like a stadium or something. Yo, can you tell us about it? Can you tell us about it? Ah! Pollution in Milwaukee. Oh. Look at that building in the distance. Look at that pollution. Look. Pollution. My God. I love Milwaukee. Fuck Milwaukee. Damn. Milwaukee. Yeah, it's 30, you fucking bozo. We're in Milwaukee! We're pulling up to the hotel, yeah, baby! Ah! Red though, that looks nice. With the feeling so pure. Milwaukee. We got parking that big shit right there. Parking. See, it says it right there. Wow. This place looks fine. I've been recording this whole time. We gotta rummage through like a minute and 30 seconds of shit.
Now we gotta find a parking spot. You can turn that off now and help me look.
Yeah. Yeah. I live in California.
He's up there.
If I was in California, I'd be wearing like a tuxedo right now.
You guys want to just lose one? It'll be you.
I'm holding the cake. You could have waited.
Keys are getting locked out because right now you're the only person that can get keys to this room.
Do you want to add anybody else?
Yeah? Yeah, just in case.
Yes.
Sorry.
Yes, please. I don't want to be locked out of the room.
It has all the hours of operation of our various outlets. The QR code at the bottom has the channel guide list and the menu to the Miller Time Cup. We have you on the 11th floor. You go back down this hallway here and to the right past the escalators, you'll find the elevator that is the closest for you.
Okay.
Alright. So do you only have one key?
No, we got 4.
We have 4? Okay.
You're all set. You have a great day.
You too. Alright, let's go.
Somebody's birthday, so happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you. It's not our
1165.
1165. Alright. So. Happy birthday, my friend. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay. So. Heading off to the 11th floor. That's like 5, right? Is this the beginning of Dead Center? Imagine that, guys. Dead Center.
No, this is Dead Island.
Dead Center. Left 4 Dead 2.
Dead Island.
Oh my God.
Dead Island.
Dead Island. I love Dead Island. It's my favorite game. No, I hate it. I hate it. Oh, look! It's me! And look! It's the man, the myth, the legend! Cake!
Taco. Man, the myth, legend. The cake.
The cake! And look, he's here!
What? I'm crack.
Yeah, true. You look like you're cracked up, to be honest.
We have to go out.
No, we're not. We haven't reached the 11th floor.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry.
That's all right.
He doesn't know how an elevator works.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's
Yeah, he's
we're trying to help him out.
Uh-huh. The kid don't know much.
Why are we stopping? Why are we stopping at 45? What the fuck are you on about?
We're recording this, by the way. okay, stop.
Yeah, 1165.
What's this one? Down here, boys.
You know, Ranger's richer than me because he has guns and has a 2-story house.
A 2-story house?
Technically,
Not really.
it is.
It's 1 floor and a basement.
Yes.
But it's the biggest basement ever.
Technically, no, 2 stories. Oh. Room reveal. Oh my god.
Only 2 beds, you have to share.
Oh shit. Oh wait, they have an extra bed right here.
on the chair then.
Now we're getting the pull away and we have this air mattress.
You're gonna pull away?
Yeah, we just ordered one.
Or we're sharing with someone, haha.
Damn.
Sharing a bed.
What's the Bible?
Yeah, the Bible should be somewhere else.
Oh,
James Bible?
I think.
The fuck is this?
Where did this come from?
No.
It's a block off the other door.
No, that's a mattress.
That's a mattress.
Yeah, but you know, it's also
Just pull that out. Turn on the lights too. There you go.
My thought process has completely been dismantled.
This place looks nice. You know, turn on a little bit of these lights.
What's that door?
Other person.
Other people's door.
In case you wanted to like connect.
Weird.
No.
I've never seen a hotel like that. But then again, I guess I've never been. I usually go to motels, not hotels. Hotels are expensive.
Yeah.
They're in a
hotel.
lot of the ones that I go to.
Yeah.
Right.
But yeah. I guess this recording went to like 4 minutes, so should I cut it off?
Look at the window.
Yeah. Look at the window
They do have a
first.
vending machine. Where's it at?
Wow. You know, this kind of reminds me of New York City, not gonna lie.
Shit.
Jeez.
Beautiful.
I mean, this isn't that rare of a sight for me, but it still looks nice.
Yeah.
They get the
Yeah.
Where's our Milwaukee theater? Is that it?
Aren't you going in
Right
2
there.
hours?
Yeah.